And the reason we got more is because they charge a different way. Okay, before we got the Midland MTX 575, we got some more Baofeng handhelds. And the reason we got more is because they charge a different way. So here they are, got them off Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. And they're also, it's a little hard to do one-handed. They're also red. But it's a nice little, basically the same Baofeng we're used to. And there it is. But the nice thing is, see if we can get it out of the paper here. The nice thing is, you know what that is? USB-C charging. Yep, no more needing a cradle. If you've got a USB-C charger in your vehicle, you can just put it in there, charge it, and you've always got a GMRS handheld ready. So we're going to take this as a backup to the Jeep Jamboree, and we'll have another radio when we get out of the car, and we can charge it. We don't have to bring a cradle with us. We can just use what everybody else is using to charge all their electronics in their vehicle. So again, link down in the description, and if you want a cheap, reliable handheld GMRS, it's a good way to go, and it's an easy way to charge it. Thanks for watching.